Lenovo M8 two-way 4K DVR driving video recorder. Says Lenovo 联想，它是双向的前后 M8 Pro 4K。Okay, got a front camera and a GPS antenna. GPS detect your car. Okay, and a rear camera. So rear camera is Full HD 1080p. The front camera is 4K. This is M8 Pro. SD card slot, micro SD card, support 128 GB SD card. Back to home. Okay, the dash cam, press it for record. Okay, smart drive. Got a built-in ADAS system. Before that, you have to calibrate it. Calibrate the ADAS system. Follow the setting, follow the instruction. So set for the red line and the yellow line. Okay, if you don't want the ADAS system, turn off, on off. Okay, got a setting for ADAS system. Okay, this is BSD. Same, you have to calibrate it. BSD calibrate. After calibrate, you have to click the save. BSD on off and BSD setting. The third one is for your file explorer. This is for your record file. A video F for front, video B for back, video log, and an image. You can take a picture as well. The fourth one is camera setting. The restoration. You can set 2.5 for front and 1080p for rear. Or you can set 4K for front, 1080p for rear. The loop record 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes. Okay, light source frequency we set for 50. A G sensor, depend on you. You want to turn on or off or low, medium and high. Okay, a parking mode. All the setting here. Parking mode, WDR, recording, video, watermark, and a rear mirror. Okay, and a system setting. A volume setting, a startup style. Okay, auto power. The screen auto off or screen sleep after 3 minutes or 1 minute. Speed unit is km per hour. Okay, language setting. A Wi-Fi info. You can connect your phone. You can download the app. Scan a QR code to download. You can view in your phone. A Wi-Fi pairing password. Set your date and time. And this formatting. Format your SD card. Okay, record. So this is a voice record. On or off for voice record. A take picture. If you want to take picture, now it's recording, so you have to stop for the record. Stop for record, take picture, capture successful. Okay, record again. So now for 4K. 4K for front. It's got a date here. Left and front and rear view, left right view, front camera on your left, a rear camera on your right. Okay, slide again for the front view. So this is a 4K view. Okay, you can slide up, slide down. On the left hand side is for slide up and down. On the right hand side is for the brightness adjust. Okay, slide left or right is change for the front and rear camera view. Got a date and time show on the screen. So this is a rear camera view, 1080p. It's a reflect view. Okay, let me show you like this. See Canon. Okay. Okay, so this is a M8 Pro. Lenovo M8 Pro. It's got a user menu. Product specification. App download. ADAS system setting. And a BSD. Lenovo DVR streaming series M8 Pro. It's a 4K DVR recorder. 9.66 inch IPS full color HD display, large screen. Front and rear two-way double recording. Okay, M8 Pro 4K. The front view, the front DVR. So you can adjust for the angle. A Lenovo. And a wiring accessory. A user menu. This is a rear camera, 1080p, rear DVR recorder to fix your front DVR. A GPS antenna to detect your car speed, your driving speed, and a power cable from the fuse. And 24-watt support. A Type-C. Okay, this is for Lenovo DVR M8 Pro 4K. Two-way, front 4K, and the rear is Full HD 1080p. A one-piece car accessory. Seri Kembangan, Selangor, Malaysia. Thank you.